In this video, we'll create a simple Python web application. Let's get started. For writing the source code, you could use any text editor of your choice. I will be using Cloud Shell Editor from Google Cloud Console. Activate Cloud Shell. We create a new folder for our source code, make dir hello world Python. We then open Editor. We'll open our folder as a workspace. In our terminal, we'll create a new Python file called app.py. We will write the following code in our Python file. Import OS. Then from Flask, we'll import Flask. Flask is the library we'll use to serve web requests. We'll create an instance of app, which will be equal to Flask dunder name dunder. We'll create a new route at the root of our application at /. We'll define a router that will handle requests coming to that route. We'll create a variable called target, which we'll get from environmental variable with os environ.get. We want to get the variable target. If not set, we'll set target to world. We'll then return hello. We'll format this string and replace the curly brackets with target. We will now start our application. If dunder name is dunder main, we'll start with app.run. We'll set debug equals true. We'll set host to 0.0.0.0, and we'll set port to int os.environ.get. We'll try to get the variable port, and if port is not set, we'll set it to 8080. With that, our code is now complete. We can run the application with Python app.py. We'll see that our application is running on localhost 8080. We can create a second terminal window and test that our application is working with curl localhost 8080. We'll see that we get back hello world. In the next video, we'll containerize this Python application.